southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Johnson County in north-central Texas, Ellis County in north-central Texas, northwestern Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Maypero, or 9 miles south of Midlothian, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Venus, Ferris, Palmer, Maypero, Bardwell, Alma, Bardwell Lake, Bryce, Garrett, Bristol, Pecan Hill, Emhouse, Avalon, Rocket, Howard, Boyce and Rieger Springs. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 387 and 406. Interstate 45 between mile markers 245 and 264. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The severe thunderstorm